Hello and welcome to Cake Decorating. We are so excited that you have decided to take another culinary course at Leiden. You are probably coming to us from taking Culinary Basics and Pastry Chef. So in Pastry Chef, you obviously learned how to bake and you were introduced to some cake decorating techniques, guidelines, etc. So this will advance your knowledge, further your knowledge of that. And we're so excited that you are here. Cake decorating is going to look a little bit different than how it would normally look just because we are in a remote setting, but we have modified everything to make it as hands-on and as exciting for you as possible. So this is an independent study course and it introduces you to techniques and goes into deep content on different types of decoration for cakes, pastries, and confectionery. So that's like candy. So even though it's cakes and cake decorating, we'll teach you how to make cake. And then we will also teach you how to do other pastry items that you would obviously decorate. So it falls into the same realm. Emphasis is placed on the skills required for cake decorating. So you will be learning all about that. We have designed it in a module format and everything is housed on Schoology. So we will start with color theory and, just mixing techniques and how to make colors and things like that. Baking basics, so that's a review from Pastry Chef. Introducing more piping tips and techniques. And then you'll be designing buttercream cakes. You will learn how to work with fondant, learn what fondant is. You will design fondant cakes, you will design cupcakes, and then design some cake pops and tiered cakes, and obviously be planning for all of those from the bakery perspective. All right. We have 4 general learning outcomes. The first one is to identify ingredients and their functions, so it kind of goes with the baking basics. And then determining if the cakes are completed. If you don't have a sturdy cake, you can't decorate it. You will learn how to construct buttercream and fondant cakes. You'll learn how to design cake pops, decorated cookies, themed cupcakes to meet guests' needs. And then you will identify a variety of piping tips and their uses, which you would use when you are constructing all of those cakes and different types of baked items. All right, so we are so excited you are here. We look forward to a fabulous quarter. Thank you.